I'm Lauren, and I first came to Dylan in May of 2023. I came to her because I had started a little Etsy shop. I was an ER nurse for over a decade, and I was just looking for a different way to make money. So I came to her frustrated because I was very stagnant in my shop for what seemed like at least 6 months. I had the same exact amount of sales. Since joining her course, I have been able to hit my immediate goal, which was to break 1,000 sales. I have been able to double my average order value. And I've been able to do this not only to my Etsy website, but to my self-hosted website, which I started just a little bit before joining her program. So this has been beneficial on very many levels. And I'm also doing this with the limited amount of time that I have. Not only am I a wife, I'm also a mother, I homeschool my children, and I have a teaching job. So I'm doing this in the small margins of my day and of any time that I have. If you're on the fence, I highly encourage you to check out her course. She leaves no stone overturned. This is one of the most detailed courses that I've ever taken. She thinks of things that you will never have thought of. But most importantly, she saves you time, which is so precious. And I know, especially for all the mothers out there, anyone with families and with jobs, I mean, you know how precious time is, and she saves you so much time. So I would highly encourage taking her course, and I am excited for myself and for my business because I know as I continue to implement all of her techniques and everything I've learned, the only way is up. So thank you so much, Dylan. I so appreciate you.